The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is generating immense excitement and anticipation across the professional photography and videography communities, particularly among wildlife photographers, sports shooters, action photographers, and hybrid creators who require a versatile APS-C mirrorless camera capable of delivering exceptional performance, high-speed responsiveness, and professional-level image quality in a compact and highly portable body, making it suitable for a wide range of demanding shooting scenarios, from fast-paced sports arenas and remote wildlife safaris to adventure travel and hybrid content creation workflows. Canon's R-series APS-C mirrorless lineup has long been recognized for providing professional-grade imaging capabilities in a smaller, lighter, and more maneuverable package compared to full-frame systems, allowing photographers to remain mobile and efficient without sacrificing critical performance or creative flexibility. And the R7 Mark II is poised to elevate this reputation with a series of significant upgrades designed to appeal to both seasoned enthusiasts and professional shooters who demand reliability, speed, and versatility in every situation. At the heart of the Mark II is a rumored new 33-megapixel stacked APS-C CMOS sensor, which, while offering only a modest increase in resolution over the original 32.5-megapixel R7, provides dramatically faster readout speeds, reduced rolling shutter, and superior electronic shutter performance, enabling photographers to capture split-second moments with remarkable accuracy and minimal distortion, particularly when tracking fast-moving wildlife, athletes in motion, or any high-speed action subject, while also delivering smoother continuous shooting and improved responsiveness in both stills and video modes. The camera is also expected to leverage Canon's acclaimed color science, offering vibrant and accurate color reproduction, strong dynamic range, and enhanced high ISO performance for cleaner images in low-light conditions, granting photographers greater latitude for post-processing and creative flexibility. Autofocus is another area where the R7 Mark II is rumored to make substantial gains, building on the original dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system by introducing improved AI-driven subject detection, faster and more precise eye tracking for humans and animals, better vehicle recognition, and superior low-light autofocus performance, ensuring that critical shots are captured with exceptional sharpness, even in unpredictable and challenging shooting environments. Burst shooting performance is likely to see a significant boost, with reports suggesting up to 40 frames per second using the electronic shutter, which, when combined with the stacked sensor, minimizes blackout, reduces buffer delays, and ensures seamless tracking of fast-moving subjects, placing the R7 Mark II in direct competition with higher-end APS-C cameras and even some full-frame models. Videographers and hybrid content creators will also benefit from advanced video capabilities, with speculation pointing to 6K RAW video recording, higher bitrate options, improved 4K oversampling, and smoother high frame rate recording up to 120 frames per second, all supported by active cooling to prevent overheating during long sessions, while the in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system is expected to be refined to deliver steadier handheld video, reduced edge wobble in wide-angle shots, and sharper long-exposure stills, making the camera a versatile tool for creators who need a single system capable of producing both high-quality stills and professional-grade video. Ergonomically, the R7 Mark II is rumored to draw inspiration from Canon's EOS R5 Mark II, offering a deeper and more comfortable grip for handling large telephoto lenses, an improved button layout for faster and more intuitive control, enhanced weather sealing for reliable outdoor performance, dual card slots with faster write speeds, longer battery life, and improved heat management, all contributing to a robust, professional-feeling camera built for extended use in challenging conditions. When compared to full-frame options like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, the R7 Mark II's APS-C sensor provides a unique 1.6x crop factor that effectively extends the reach of telephoto lenses, which is a crucial advantage for wildlife and sports photographers who require maximum magnification without investing in extremely long or heavy lenses, while still delivering excellent image quality, solid dynamic range, and competitive low-light performance, ensuring that it can handle professional assignments with ease. Additionally, the R7 Mark II is expected to feature enhanced connectivity options, improved menu systems, refined touchscreen controls, and full compatibility with Canon's RF and EF lens ecosystems via adapters, making it an exceptionally versatile tool for photographers and videographers working in diverse environments, from wildlife reserves and sports venues to urban adventures and professional hybrid studios. Taken together, the combination of a high-speed stacked APS-C sensor, advanced AI-assisted autofocus, increased burst shooting capabilities, potential 6K RAW video, refined IBIS, professional ergonomics, extended battery life, rugged build quality, and enhanced workflow features positions the Canon EOS R7 Mark II as a groundbreaking APS-C mirrorless camera that could redefine the category for both professional and enthusiast photographers, offering unmatched versatility, reliability, and performance in a single, compact system that excels in wildlife, sports, and hybrid photography while providing the creative flexibility, durability, and image quality necessary to compete at the highest level of modern mirrorless camera performance, making it an eagerly anticipated option for those seeking a cutting-edge APS-C solution capable of meeting the demanding requirements of contemporary professional and hybrid content creation workflows, seamlessly bridging the gap between mobility, high performance, and creative freedom in a single, highly capable camera.